Let's keep it simple with Professor English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Professor English Podcast. I'm Ben, and it's wonderful to have you here.
And I'm Lily. Happy New Year to everyone listening around the world.
We hope this new year finds everyone healthy, motivated, and ready to grow in every aspect of life.
Can you believe we're already in 2026? It feels like just yesterday we were celebrating 2025.
Time flies so quickly. Every new year brings fresh opportunities and endless possibilities for growth.
A big congratulations to everyone for making it into a brand new year full of potential and promise.
And before we dive in, we want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed to this channel and continues to support us.
Your support truly means the world to us, and we appreciate each and every one of you.
We're committed to keep improving and bringing you the best English learning content possible with every single episode.
Today's episode is extra special because it combines practical life skills with English learning.
It's not only about learning English, but also about setting meaningful and achievable goals for 2026 that can transform your life.
We're combining life advice with English practice in a fun and engaging way.
So grab a notebook, maybe a cup of coffee or tea, get comfortable and relax with us.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe to the Professor English Podcast so you can stay connected.
We have so many exciting episodes planned for this year that will help you improve your English dramatically.
Now, let's dive in and talk about making 2026 your best year yet with clear goals and practical strategies.
Let's start with goal number 1, improving English daily, which is the foundation of language success. Goal number 1 is so important because consistency is the key to fluency.
Many people make big promises at the start of the year, like, I'll become completely fluent this year.
But the real secret to success is in the daily practice, not in occasional marathon study sessions.
A simple and achievable goal for 2026 could be, I will practice English for 15 to 30 minutes every single day without exception.
That sounds realistic, doable, and not overwhelming at all.
Those 15 to 30 minutes can actually be quite fun and enjoyable if you choose activities you love.
Listening to podcasts like this one, reading short articles about your interests, watching English videos on topics you enjoy.
Or even speaking out loud to yourself in front of a mirror. All of these activities really help improve your skills.
Consistency beats intensity every single time when it comes to language learning.
Practicing just 15 minutes every single day is much better than studying for 3 hours once a week and burning out.
Let's practice an important sentence together. This year, I am committed to improving my English skills every single day.
I am committed means you're dedicated, serious, and determined about something important to you.
Everyone listening right now, try saying this sentence out loud with confidence.
Here's another useful phrase to add to your vocabulary. Here's some useful information. I make time for English practice every day, no matter how busy I am.
Notice we say make time, not find time, because successful people create time for their priorities.
We create and prioritize time for what truly matters in our lives.
English learning should be enjoyable, engaging, and personally meaningful to you.
If you love music, learn English through your favorite songs and their lyrics.
If you love cooking, watch cooking videos in English and learn food vocabulary at the same time.
So that's goal number 1. Practice English every single day, even when you're tired or busy.
Now let's move to goal number 2, which is all about personal development.
This one is about building good habits that support success in all areas of your life.
Success doesn't come overnight. It's built slowly through small daily actions.
It comes from small, consistent habits that we practice and repeat every single day.
Successful people aren't just lucky, they have developed better habits and routines than others.
A good goal for 2026 could be waking up earlier to have a productive morning routine.
Planning your day the night before so you wake up with clear direction and purpose.
Exercising regularly to stay healthy and energized throughout your busy day.
Or reducing the time you spend mindlessly scrolling on social media platforms.
imagine if you took just half of that social media time and invested it wisely.
Here's an English sentence for goal number 2. Good habits help me stay focused, productive, and motivated throughout the day.
Let's add another powerful one. I replace my bad habits with good ones that serve my goals and dreams.
Start small and build gradually. Don't say, I'll work out intensely for an hour every single day.
Start with just 10 minutes of movement. Small wins create powerful momentum over time.
You can apply this exact same principle to your English learning journey too.
Start with one podcast episode, one short article, or just 5 new vocabulary words per day.
Here's a question for our listeners to practice answering. What is one specific habit you want to build this year?
Think carefully about your answer in English and say it out loud.
Goal number 2 is about building those daily habits that will gradually transform your entire life.
Goal number 3 is specifically related to career advancement or education improvement.
This is huge and incredibly important for people who want to grow professionally in their field.
A clear and specific goal might be, in 2026, I will improve my qualifications or learn a valuable new skill.
Learning English itself is an extremely valuable skill that can change your career trajectory.
It opens so many doors, opportunities, and possibilities that wouldn't exist otherwise.
Whether you want to work for international companies or study abroad at prestigious universities, English is the key.
Let's practice this sentence together. Learning new skills will help me grow professionally and advance in my career.
Here's another powerful statement. I invest time and effort in my education and career development every week.
The word invest is very powerful here because it implies future returns.
It means you're putting valuable time or effort into something that will pay significant dividends later.
Here's some essential career vocabulary you should know: promotion, networking, and upskilling.
Let's use all of them in one sentence. I'm focused on networking with professionals and upskilling to get a well-deserved promotion this year.
Small, consistent steps always lead to big, impressive results over time.
Maybe this year you commit to taking one online course or attending one industry conference. That's real, measurable progress that will compound over time.
Let's talk about goal number 4, which many people really struggle with.
So many people want to manage their money better and build financial security in the new year.
Goal number 4 is all about developing strong financial discipline and money management skills.
A strong and specific goal could be saving money regularly or creating a detailed monthly budget.
Financial discipline isn't about being cheap, miserly, or never enjoying life's pleasures.
It's about being intentional, thoughtful, and strategic with your hard-earned money. Here's a practical sentence to practice. I'm learning to manage my money wisely and make smart financial decisions.
Here's an important financial vocabulary everyone should master: budget, expenses, savings, and debt.
I created a detailed monthly budget to carefully control my expenses and track my spending.
Or you could say, my clear goal is to save at least 20% of my income and actively reduce my debt.
Use the 50-30-20 rule as a guideline. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings.
I make smart financial decisions that will benefit my future and provide long-term security.
Financial discipline and English learning actually have something important in common.
Both require patience, consistency, dedication, and long-term thinking to see real results.
Goal number 5 is about something people often neglect: their health and well-being.
True success includes maintaining good health, both physical fitness and mental wellness.
Regular exercise, nutritious food, adequate sleep, and mental balance are all critically important.
A healthy body naturally supports a healthy, sharp, and focused mind.
And a healthy mind helps you learn English better, work more efficiently, and enjoy life fully.
Practice this sentence for goal number 5. My health is my top priority this year, and I will protect it.
I exercise regularly, eat nutritious and balanced food, and get enough quality sleep every night.
Here's important health vocabulary: wellness, nutrition, mental health, and self-care.
I prioritize my overall wellness by focusing equally on both physical and mental health every day.
Regular exercise helps improve memory, focus, and learning.
A practical and achievable goal might be, I will exercise for at least 30 minutes 3 times a week starting this month.
Don't forget your mental health. Take regular breaks, practice daily gratitude, and spend quality time with loved ones.
I take excellent care of my mental health by practicing mindfulness, meditation, and staying connected with supportive friends and family. Here's goal number 6, and it might just be the most important one of all.
Not every single day will be perfect, and that's completely okay and normal.
But maintaining consistency is the ultimate key to achieving any goal successfully.
You don't have to be perfect, you just have to keep moving forward steadily every day.
Success is definitely not a straight line. It's full of curves, detours, and unexpected turns.
There will be ups and downs, good days and challenging days, but successful people never quit.
I stay positive and keep moving forward even when things get difficult or challenging.
I see challenges as chances to learn, grow, and become stronger.
The word embrace means to accept something with complete openness, positivity, and enthusiasm.
Here's a crucial English phrase for goal number 6. Progress, not perfection.
This powerful phrase means you should focus on improving gradually, not on being perfect.
Nobody in the world is perfect, and that's absolutely okay and acceptable.
I am capable of achieving my goals with hard work, dedication, and unwavering persistence.
Every small step I take brings me closer to success and the life I dream about.
I believe strongly in myself and my abilities to overcome any obstacle I encounter.
If you accidentally miss a day of English practice, don't give up or feel guilty.
Just start fresh again the very next day with renewed energy and commitment.
Stay positive, stay consistent, remain dedicated, and always believe in yourself. So Ben, 2026 can truly be an amazing year of transformation and impressive growth.
With clear goals, consistent daily effort, and continuous English practice, anything is possible.
Improving English while building a successful and fulfilling life is absolutely possible for everyone.
With small, consistent steps taken every single day.
Thank you so much for starting this exciting new year with us today.
The fact that you're here, listening and learning, already shows tremendous commitment and motivation.
Always remember, progress is always better than perfection in every area of life.
You're not competing with anyone else in the world.
You're only competing with the person you were yesterday, last week, or last year.
Every podcast episode you listen to, every sentence you practice, it all adds up significantly over time.
Trust the process, stay patient, and believe in your journey.
Whether your goal is to speak English fluently, advance in your career, improve your health, or build better habits, we're here to support and guide you.
And speaking of support, we genuinely want to hear from you directly.
Please tell us in the comments section below what you struggle with most in your English learning journey.
Is it pronunciation, grammar rules, speaking confidence?
Understanding native speakers, building vocabulary?
We read every single comment carefully, and your feedback helps us create episodes that truly help you succeed.
If you're struggling with something specific, please let us know today.
We'll create dedicated content to address exactly that challenge.
Maybe you're having trouble using English at work, preparing for an important exam, or wanting better conversations with native speakers.
Whatever it is, share it with us in the comments below this episode right now.
We're building a supportive community of learners who help each other grow.
When you share your struggles openly, you're helping others too.
Your valuable input directly shapes what we create and share with you.
So please comment below and tell us, what's your biggest English learning challenge right now?
We're excited to read your responses and create helpful content.
If this episode helped, don't forget to subscribe today.
Share it with friends who are also learning English.
Subscribing is completely free and helps us reach more learners like you.
We're committed to keep improving this podcast every week.
2026 is going to be absolutely incredible.
We're honored to be part of your English learning journey.
Remember, you've got this.
Believe in yourself, stay consistent, and celebrate every small win.
Happy New Year once again.
Happy New Year! Until next time, keep practicing, keep believing, and keep growing.
Goodbye, everyone.
And don't forget to comment below.
We can't wait to hear from you.